surrounded by plants, green plants. I know it looks close, but it's actually kind of far. Look at this. Hey. So that one's a Cadillac. This one's there's a water wheel over there. Yo guys, look where we're at. I had to stop on the road. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm looking down because I don't wanna, there might be a freaking snake, you know? Wait, what is this? What is that? Look. What's this doing here? It's like a tractor engine or something. See, there's the motor. Yeah, it's an old tractor engine. I guess these are like Jeep tracks, so I guess people stop over here to you know, ride their Jeep or something. But yeah, it's an awesome place, man. You know, in the middle of the desert, I didn't expect plants to grow here. They're actually green. Look, they even have flowers. Look. I don't want to touch that. Might be, I don't know if that's poisonous or not. But yeah, surrounded by plants, green plants. I thought, you know, I thought there would be no plants here, but apparently there is. Yo, look what we found, guys. Wow. This is, by the way, in the middle of nowhere. Look. This is the middle of nowhere. Like, what food do they even get here? Damn, there's more there, look. Sheesh. Yo, another great spot over here, guys. Oh my goodness. Nevada is so great. Look. Look at that. Pardon the wind, it's always very windy. But man. Yo, look at that. Oh man. Would it be nice to, can we even go there? I know it looks close, but it's actually kind of far. Imagine going up there, bro. Oof. Yo guys, look, we're driving and then, oh, you see those? What the heck? Yeah, stop the car real quick. I see so many cactuses, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my goodness, they're like everywhere. Look at where we're driving. Holy, that is man, driving here and there's like literally no one. We've been driving for like an hour and 30 and we haven't met anyone. So out in the desert, guys. But interestingly, I guess it rains in the desert because there's like freaking, look at the plants on the side of the road. They're green. See, they're all green. So I guess it does rain here. Alright guys, you know how it is. Another stop because we saw something amazing. There's no fences here, so you know. Anyways, the reason why we're going here is because look, I'm interested in this. Look at that. Wait, there are tracks here. So people do go here, look. There's like
ATVs.
Yeah, ATVs maybe. Alright, hold on. We're almost there. There it is. Look at that. Yeah, I saw this earlier when we were driving, but now that I'm here, look at that. Uh-oh, what is that? There's like a burrow. Wow, that's a big burrow. Okay, we're not gonna get too close. But yeah, look at that. Looks so weird. Yeah, I don't want to touch it. Just want to look at it. See that? Yo, dang, and it grows so tall. Look at that. Sheesh. There's more over there. You can see right there too. There's another one over there. Actually, I'm surrounded by it. So here, look at this. Hey. Woo. There's a big mound over there. Wow, it's just amazing, this drive. I'm glad we did it. There's my boy over there. Hey, you still good? Yep. Alright. Guys, I think I'm in the most interesting motel I've ever seen. Look at this. It's called Motel Route 66. Route 66 Motel. Yeah, look at what's inside here. It is actually awesome. Look at this. You have like, I guess this is how they moved the logs back then. You know, you have like an old car there, windmill, and look at this. Wow. What do you guys think? Huh? Yo, what's inside there? Oh, it's just all rust. Dang. Oh, it's not a turtle. I thought it was a turtle. We got more here, by the way. Look at this. Cadillac has been making cars since way back then, huh? I don't know, like there's like place in our city called a Heritage Park, and inside there they have like Cadillac cars donated by these rich guys. I guess they're oil people, you know. And man, they are nice, bro. Look at that. And of course they have these things, get the radio signal back then, you know. La la la. So that one's a Cadillac. This one's I don't know what brand that is. This one is Buick. Ooh, Buick. Let's see the inside. Oh, it's really tight, isn't it? The passenger seat has a lot more space. Look how far the steering wheel is. It's like literally on the merging into your thighs. Look at this. There you go. That's the entrance. You actually go around here, and there's the you need to ring the what do you call that? Right there where the word vacancy is, so you can check in. Wow. This one, I don't know what brand the car is, but hey, you know, if anything, they all look kind of the same, don't they? Right? And I'm guessing there should be water here, but probably conserving water. Maybe they put water in it during peak season, or maybe not right now when it's like super hot, because it's really hot right now, guys. I got a chest there. And the water wheel, see? There's a water wheel over there. And then in the middle, we got the palm trees. Anyways, let's go towards our room. We are going to show you guys our room. It's our car, by the way, right here. Trusty old car. Actually, I think the reason why it's called Route 66 is because that is Route 66, guys. The road right there. So we are literally on it. Alright, let's check in. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you the room that we have here in Route 66. Oh wait, there's the camera right there. I'm looking at like the screen of the phone. As you know, the action cams are really bad at low light. You've probably seen it in my other videos. So I'm gonna use the Pixel to show you guys, because the light right there, it's not really the brightest, so it's kind of dim. So I'll show you guys the room with the Pixel. Alright, so right off the bat, here's the gear. All gear, by the way. Got the bed over here. This is the door. This is the entrance. Hold on, let me... Man, the zoom on phones are not that great. We got one window, and you can see outside. Look at that. Phew. Alright, and then we have a big, huge air condition. I think this is an older model, I think, because really I've only seen this kind of model when I was a kid. So, and we got 2 queen beds. Don't mind him, he's he's already asleep. So he's very tired, guys, very tired. And we have a few hangers so we can use. We haven't really used all of them, because like I said, we just came in here and we're just resting now. And then a huge television. Wow, okay, so you can, I guess, connect your HDMI there, and then you can watch Netflix. right here. And over on this side, hold on. Oh wow, I like the design. It's like, okay, so there's the glass right here, and then this is like tainted glass, and they put the light behind. So as you can see, wow, we have a microwave. Standard, well, not really standard, it's kind of small, but it's enough to you know, microwave a couple of dishes, or you know, 2 to 3 dishes should be enough. We also have a coffee maker and a Magic Chef fridge, freezer, or no, fridge with like, oh, this kind of freezer sucks, by the way. We have a nice washing area here. It's separate from the washroom. There's the washroom, by the way. So this is outside. Where's the light here? Oh yeah, so this is definitely the faucet and mirror for the washroom. They just put it outside because they did not have space. So you can see the tiles are very clean. They have 2 tissues. They restocked it. That's great. They gave us 2 towels. There's only 2 of us, so it's pretty good. Full-size bathtub with shower head. How does this work? Oh, okay. So you turn this on, and then you pull this up, and then, you know, and then it goes, the water comes out of there. Let me try that. Hey, there you go. Alright, and it's complete with soap, conditioner. I guess that's the only 3, right? Soap, conditioner, and shampoo. And oh, I like this one. You see these guys? This one? It's like curved. So when you close this, like so, and you're inside, the, you know, this thing does not touch you because it's like curved like that. So I wish more hotels would do this. So yeah, it's pretty good. Hold on, there we go. Hope you guys like that quick tour. We are gonna go rest up, and then we're gonna go out and do some stuff. Anyways, I'll see you guys there.